Tango 21, Mr Chippie. Yeah, can we knock it up to channel 32? I've got a Russian lady on a radio programme. Roger. Tango 21 now on 32. Excellent, I'll plug the extension speaker in then. Right, so this is the Mustang 1000, kindly sent by Mr Benefactor Alan. So once again, thank you Alan for that. So it's worked out quite well. It's now doing 4 watts probably for the first time in its life. And came in doing 2.8, changed the ballast resistor for a more hefty one. And what else have we done? While I was at it, changed the 47 microfarad capacitor, changed the meter lamp and fitted a screw. Right. So yeah, it worked out nicely, really good sensitivity. Squelch is always a letdown. Roger, that's excellent, off you go.
Roger that. A, can you turn the Roger bleep off, and B, is there a tone control?
A, no, and B, no.
Roger.
That solved that problem.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Custer service station and it's closed. It must be about 7:30 the close then.
Roger, I think we're about spot on time today.
Yeah, a little bit late, but there you go.
Roger.
Right, we were almost square wheeled, but we're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
coming through loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Tango 21 for Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, you coming through loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on the Mustang CB1000 from H1, use 5.002F chassis, just like the Custer, the real Custer, that is. And it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Mustang 1000. It's doing a full 4 watts, doing 1.6 amps for that. If I can find the little switch at the back, we'll go over to low power. So here we go. 0. There we are, back on full power.
Yeah, I struggled with the on low power, but of course conditions are different today. There's quite a bit of interference.
Yeah, Roger.
Roger that. Right, we'll move on.
Yep, off we go. Yes, well, I mean, in fact, we have to change channels, change what the experience like.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're on the move.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, same as yesterday, 153.7 and 159.9.
Yeah, roger on that. Currently, you know, we've done the Mustang 1000 now, we've done the Mustang 3000. So we haven't done a Mustang 2000, have we? I wonder when we'll get sent one.
Roger that, we'll see when we.
Yeah. Right, okay then. Thanks for that, 10-10.
Roger, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today?
Yeah, same as yesterday, 153.7 and 159.9.
Yeah, Roger on that. That struck me, you know, we've done the Mustang 1000 now, we've done the Mustang 3000, so we haven't done a Mustang 2000, have we? I wonder when we'll get sent one.
Roger that, we'll see well.
Yeah. Right, okay then. Thanks for that, 10-10.
Roger, 10-10.
Okay, that worked absolutely great. So we'll go to our base station and see what it sounds like on my replacement standard microphone.
Tango 21, testing the Mustang CB1000 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is the standard replacement microphone. Thanks for watching.